Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at niches you could make money from. Specialist tea market. This $49 billion market is one of the evergreen areas that hasn't seen much of a decline. The market has diversified into detox tea for medicinal and health purposes. If you want to reduce weight, have a better digestive system, a functioning liver and to clear toxin, you could look into detox tea as an option. Green teas and different flavored teas have seen a huge increase in the last few years, and the growing trend for ethically sourced products is also growing in this area. There are many smaller niches within this segment that can be a great money. It would give you recurring revenues through repeat orders. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.